Hi everyone. I just wanted to talk to you briefly about order of operations, just a review for some of you and also to help out some of you that are having some problems with it. So the first thing I want you to do is to forget about your dear Aunt Sally. A lot of you have used PEMDAS or learned PEMDAS in the past, and I just want you to forget about that because that's not going to help you. So instead of using PEMDAS, I prefer PEMA. Please excuse my attitude. And the P stands for parentheses, the E stands for exponents, the M stands for multiplication or division because they have the same weight. And we don't want to do multiplication before division necessarily. It depends on the order in which they appear as we're looking at our expression going from left to right. So multiplication, M stands for multiplication or division, and then A stands for addition or subtraction. So a lot of people make that mistake of always doing addition before subtraction, multiplication before division. So I want to go through an example and show you how we apply PEMA. So here's our example. We have a fraction and subtraction and addition. So the first thing we want to do is what's in the parentheses. Now within the parentheses, we want to also follow the order of operations. So the first thing we're going to do within these parentheses is the exponent. Now notice that this exponent of 2 only applies to the number 3. It does not apply to everything within the parentheses or anything else. It only applies to the value that's just below the exponent. So the first calculation we do is 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, and that becomes 9. So our new expression is 1 plus 9 over 5, or divided by 5, minus 6 plus 2. Then we add those together because they're inside the parentheses. So 1 plus 9 is 10, and we have 10 over 5 minus 6 plus 2. Then the next thing we do after parentheses exponents is multiplication or division. And a fraction is basically a division problem. So we compute this division, 10 divided by 5, which is 2, and we're left with the expression 2 minus 6 plus 2. Now, I've seen a lot of people either add parentheses to the 6 plus 2, or they kind of feel that we should do addition before subtraction, but we don't. We want to deal with addition and subtraction as they appear going from left to right. So the first thing we do is 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. And then we add, finally, negative 4 plus 2, which gives us our final result of negative 2. If you have any questions about order of operation, please let me know, and please forget about your dear Aunt Sally.